Hi, today in Lana's kitchen I'll be making a delicious butternut squash soup. Get 2 pounds of cut up butternut squash for roasting. You'll need 1 carrot, 1 celery stick, a half an onion, 1 apple, 3 cloves of garlic, some fresh herbs. You'll need thyme and some sage. Get some really good extra virgin olive oil. Sprinkle the butternut squash with kosher salt and extra virgin olive oil and roast it in the oven at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. Heat your extra virgin olive oil in a soup pot and then add your onions, the carrots, and your celery. Add your 3 cloves of garlic using a garlic press. Add 1 whole apple cut up in chunks. Add a few dashes of salt, a little fresh thyme, and fresh sage. For the broth, you can either use chicken broth or vegetable broth. I'm using 2 cans of Swanson chicken broth. Let it simmer on medium heat until all the vegetables and the apple are soft. Add a few dashes of apple pie spice. The butternut squash is ready to add into the soup. It smells so good in my kitchen. I feel like it's already Thanksgiving. The fastest way to blend it is with an immersion blender, but if you don't have one, it's okay. You can use a regular blender, and you just want to blend all the ingredients until it's nice and thick. Next, add 1 cup of heavy cream. This butternut squash soup smells really delicious, and it only took less than an hour to make. Butternut squash soup from Lana's kitchen. I hope you liked my video. Remember to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. See you again soon.